Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys vivo phone guys notification ringtone guys. How can we update friends? You want to update guys your vivo phone guys phone notification ringtone. So how can you update it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we update phone notification ringtone. Friends, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, we will click on the search bar here guys, notification ringtone guys. So friends, you can see guys your phone notification ringtone guys, tap on notification ringtone. Friends, you can see phone notification ringtone guys, we will tap here to update. So which ringtone you like guys, you can select and you can update. Example for guys, I will click on the simple ringtone and friends come back. So friends, you can see notification ringtone will update into simple, and guys you can customize this volume from here, decrease and increase, increase and decrease. So like that guys, we can update guys our phone notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.